learning how to use the correct verbs with the word ta. And ta means you. So the verbs always have to end with ujdaye. For example, ze, khre, kawe, and mane. So let's begin. Ze means going. Khre means eating. Kawe means doing. And mane means listening to someone. Now here are the sentences that go with them. Ze, ta shwanzi ta de. You are going to school. Khre, ta today khre. You eat your food. Kawe, ta koranai kar kawe. Do your homework. Mane, ta damor au plar khabara mane. You listen to your mom and dad. So I'm going to repeat these verbs one more time. Ze means going. Khre means eating. Kawe means doing. And mane means listening to someone. So make sure you guys practice these verbs a lot, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!